Hello everyone. Saner.AI is an AI task assistant that helps you manage everything just by chat. In today's videos, let's look into how you can use this AI to-do list better. Okay, when you open the task view, you will see three main sections: overdue, today, and others tasks. Overdue show tasks that were due in the past. Today lists what you have planned for the current day, and others includes future tasks or anything without a set due date. Now, to add a new task, just click the Add Task button, and now you can type something directly like call Jean. And here's where Saner.ai handier than other regular to-do lists. Every task in Saner is automatically linked to a note. That means you can easily add context like meeting notes or project info, and Saner will keep everything connected across your notes, emails, and calendar. If you want to change the note, just click the pencil icon and choose a new note. For example, if you want to move this task to project A, you can just select the project A task here. Now it's moved to that node, as you can see right here. So this way you can keep everything relating to this project A concentrated or centralized into one node, so you can keep track of everything. For each task, you can also set due date and time right here. Let's just be simple. And you can also make it repeat or not, and just click saved. For these tasks, you can also set the priorities for them by clicking the flag icon right here, and just click update to save everything. All the tasks with due dates automatically appear on your calendar view right here. So you will always have a full pictures of what's coming up. Okay, now what if you have a bunch of overdue tasks, just like me? No problem. Now you can hit select those overdue tasks right here, and you can ask AI to manage them for you. For example, you can tell AI to prioritize them, break them down, schedule them, or plan for today. Or if you want to give your own request, you can just click the Ask AI button here and give it your own request, like, hey, plan this overdue task to tomorrow for me. Click enter. Now you see the AI has moved these overdue tasks to tomorrow's schedule for me. If I want to edit, I can edit them right here, change anything I want, and then I can click apply, and these tasks will be saved with the new schedule. One feature I really like about the task is the focus box, because this makes important tasks front and center for me. Here's how to do it. For example, I want to select these two tasks to put into the focus box. Then I open it, choose to open the pop-up viewer. And you see, these tasks show off in the pop-up view and follow me across any websites, so I can always know what to focus on and not getting distracted. And finally, for those who love full control, you can filter tasks by note location, priority level, and even completion status right here. That's your quick tour of the task section in Saner.ai. I hope this helped, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us directly. See you.